Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel 3Gen Techies. Before we jump into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Alright, let's get started. We're going to learn how to make two LEDs blink using an Arduino. It's a super simple and fun project, so let's get started. First, let's take a look at the components we'll need for this project. A breadboard, an Arduino board, two LEDs, two resistors, 220 ohms, jumper wires, USB cable. Now let's connect the components. Place the two LEDs on the breadboard. Attach a 220 ohm resistor to the negative leg of each LED. Connect the positive leg of the first LED to pin 2 on the Arduino and the second LED to pin 8. Then connect the other end of both resistors to the GND ground pin on the Arduino using jumper wires. Next, we need to upload the code to our Arduino. The code will make the LEDs blink alternately. Here's a quick breakdown. Set pin 2 and pin 8 as output pins. In the loop, turn on the first LED for 1 second while the second LED stays off. You can see the two LEDs are blinking alternately. This shows how easy it is to control multiple LEDs using Arduino. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such projects. See you in next one.